As far as I know, for the qualified trades, mostly may physical contact sila sa clients or customers. Like for example, nagugupit ka or nagtatattoo ka or nagluto ka or nagbebenta ka ng mga pagkain, then you will be on the qualified category na kung saan ay magre-require ng another certificate or license to perform those kind of trades. Like for example, kung magpuput up ka ng restaurant or kung magluluto ka ng lutong bahay, it doesn't work like you will be on a unqualified trade lang and then you will do those kind of business. Kasi kailangan mo ng special license like food and safety, I think, na hihingin ng trade licensing office for you to be able to perform those kind of business.